In today's video, I will walk you through how to add moving text in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you do not already have CapCut installed, you can download the PC version from the official CapCut website. To begin, choose a video that has clear movement and a subject that stays visible throughout most of the clip. Motion tracking works best when CapCut can consistently recognize the same object or person from start to finish. Once your footage is ready, drag the video into the timeline so you can begin editing. After that, add a default text layer above the video clip. You can type anything you want into the text box depending on the style of your project. Now select the text layer and head over to the Basic Settings panel. This is where you can customize the appearance of the text. You can adjust the font, increase the size, change the color, or reposition it anywhere on the screen. Next, extend the text layer so it matches the full duration of the video clip. This matters because the tracking effect will only continue for as long as the text layer exists on the timeline. If the text ends too early, the motion tracking will stop before the clip finishes. After that, open the tracking section and choose Motion Tracking. A tracking box will appear inside the preview window. Resize and position this box directly over the subject you want the text to follow. Try to keep the tracking box focused mainly on the object or person, without including too much of the background. This helps CapCut follow the movement more accurately and reduces the chance of the tracking drifting away during the clip. Once the tracking box is in the correct position, click Start to begin the tracking process. CapCut will now analyze the motion in your footage and connect the text to the selected subject. Depending on the length of the clip and the speed of your computer, the processing may take a few moments to complete. After the tracking finishes, preview the video to see the final result. The text should now move naturally with the subject, creating a smooth tracking effect that feels much more polished and visually engaging. If the motion does not look perfectly aligned, you can reposition the tracking box and run the process again until the movement feels more accurate. And that is how to add moving text in CapCut PC using motion tracking tools to create cleaner and more professional-looking video edits.